Okay, this lesson's all about ordering decimals. It goes with card N36, and it's particularly about putting numbers which have got different numbers of decimal places into the correct order, which is quite tricky. So, the first question that we've got on our card is lots of numbers that all start 6 point something, and we need to get those into the right order. We're going from smallest to largest, and if you're not sure, what I'd advise that you do first is to write all of those numbers one above the other. And this makes it easier to see what's going on down here. So all of these numbers start with a 6. That's not particularly helpful. What it might be useful to do, and I would recommend doing, is those numbers which have fewer decimal places than the others, stick a 0 on the end, or more than 1 0 if you need to, so that all our numbers have now got the same number of decimal places. They've all got 2. And then it's up to you. You can look at the numbers after the point, and now that they've all got 2 decimal places, we can compare the 80 with the 83, with the 10, and we can look for the smallest number after the decimal point, which in this case is going to be the 10, isn't it? So that means that 6.1, go with the original number, is the smallest out of all of those. So I can use that one up. Then we've got 6.26 will be the next smallest one. And we can keep going, looking for the next smallest one. So 6.5, 6.55, 6.80 is going to be smaller than 6.83, so 6.8, then 6.83, and finally 6.9 to go on the end there. So it makes it a lot clearer if we can just look at them like that and give them the same number of decimal places. So let's do the same thing for the second question. I've jumped straight in there. I've already written my numbers down, one above the other, so I can compare them nice and easily. And again, I'm just going to fill in any gaps that I've got there with an extra 0 to make them easier to compare for me. So, smallest one out of these, they're all starting with a 2 again, so that's not particularly helpful. But if I look after the decimal point, the smallest one's going to be 2.1, 2.11. Then we've got a 2.3, 2.35, 2.45, 2.61, 2.83, and finally we've got 2.9 to finish us off. And that's as simple as that, really. So now you've seen that, here's 2 for you to try. Pause the video and have a go, and once you're ready for the answers, if you press play again, they'll pop up for you.